in various colleges for their different courses.
Spokesperson of the National People Youth Front, Bajop Pingrop, today expressed gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for helping the students of the state with regards to the exemption of CUET. Pingrop said that the recently students of the state have faced difficulties in taking admission and many hardships that they have to face, but with the intervention of the Chief Minister and Education Minister, the University Grant Commission has exempted the students of Meghalaya for the academic year 2024-25.
CUET has been one common agenda which our students who want to take admission in various universities have faced a stumble block and so many hardships that they had to undergo. But with the intervention of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Education Minister, the University Grants Commission has exempted Meghalaya from the CUET purview for the academic year 2024-25.